All right. So now that we've got our custom object ready in Salesforce, it's time to set up the outbound message and the flow that actually triggers the mail to go out. But first, let's pop back over to Connect and get the webhook that we'll need in order for Salesforce to initiate the mail piece. As you can see, the Taco Tuesday 50 off integration is now listed on the integration page. Click on the I or information action and click on the hook URL. This will copy the URL that you'll need for the outbound messaging setup. Let's head back to Salesforce and search for outbound messages. Now, there are two spots you might think to select. One's on the left under Create New View, but it's the other link we actually want over on the right called New Outbound Message. That's the one you need. I'm going to click it and then choose the custom object we just created, Taco Tuesday 50 off, and hit Next. Now we give the outbound message a name. Again, I'm calling it Taco Tuesday 50 off, just to keep everything consistent. Next up, we paste in the hook URL. That's the webhook you copied from Connect earlier. Just paste it right in. It's literally just a URL that Salesforce will use to send the data. Then we select the fields we want to send. In our case, it's first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip, custom message, and promo code. Once you've selected everything, go ahead and click Save. That's it for the outbound message. Now onto the flow. I open up flows from Setup. You can just search for it in a quick find box. And we're going to create a new flow. Choose Record Triggered Flow since we want this to run automatically when something happens. The object, you guessed it, Taco Tuesday 50 off. And the condition, when the click to mail field equals TT50 off. That's the value we're going to use to trigger the mail. Next, we add an action step. Choose Outbound Message, and then select the one we just created, Taco Tuesday 50 off. Give the action a label. I'll just name it the same again to avoid confusion. Now click Save and give your flow a name. Yep, Taco Tuesday 50 off. Before you leave, don't forget this part. Activate the flow. If it's not activated, it won't do anything. Even if you test it, Salesforce will just sit there and do nothing. I've made that mistake before. Once the flow is active, you're ready to test it. In the next step, I'll show you how we trigger the mail and how to confirm it works.